3, 2, 1, start. Ladies and gentlemen, I consider it a great honor to preside over the Silver Jubilee celebrations of the Industrial Development Bank. I have been observing with great interest the working of your bank for a number of years. You have been helping the industrial units in a number of ways. It is a good thing for such institutions to help the people in all possible ways. In my view, the banks and the other financial institutions like yours, which provide assistance to the commercial firms, should demand them to pass on the benefits which they get from you to the public at large. As a matter of fact, it is only with a view to help the people, particularly those who are below the poverty line, that such institutions provide credit and other facilities to them. So, it is their duty to help the people. The business institutions should realize that the loans given by financial institutions and banks were from the resources of the nation. Therefore, they should go by the national standards in the conduct of their business activities. I hold the view that if there is one institution which has contributed to industrial growth in the country in a large way, it is your institution. I can say this without any fear of contradiction. In this connection, I take the liberty of congratulating you on the various steps you have taken to help the sick units. Today, we see a number of industries becoming sick due to various reasons. I do not want to go into those things now. However, it is my duty to point out that many sick units have been taken care of by you. The small scale units are mostly producing consumer items and they deserve your support. I welcome in this context the creation of the Small Scale Industries Board, which will give the necessary assistance to such units whenever necessary. I am of the opinion that you should get more and more interest in supporting industrial development in all possible ways. The small industries should consider you as their friend. The other financial institutions would do well to follow your procedure in helping the industrial units. The role you are playing in modernizing the textile units here is wonderful. With these words, I wish you more and more years of useful service in the cause of industrial development in this state. Letter dated 12th May 1987 from Netaji Silk Stores, Kolkata to Messrs. Indira Silk Palace, Madras. Para. Dear sirs, we thank you very much for your order of the 5th instant for 200 meters of Lotus brand silk. We note that you require this within a fortnight. Our local stock of this brand has been sold out. Our next consignment is expected to be received only after 3 months. However, if your demand is very urgent and if you can accept another brand of silk, which is also a good variety, we can arrange to supply it immediately. We enclose a sample of this brand. You will find that both in quality and color, both the brands are the same. The price of this brand is the same as the other one with the usual discount. On your approval of this brand, we shall arrange to send the same to you immediately. Para. We await your instructions. Yours faithfully.